This week we had a lot of rain, but we were still able to do a lot of progress. We have all the wrapping up done, and then the roof company came and installed that protection before the metal comes in, and that is gonna be there for a while until the material is delivered. In the meantime, we're protected from the rain. So this week we were able to finish all the decking and all the tongue and groove that goes under the roof. So right now, next steps are gonna be finishing the roof and the siding, and then we're gonna still be waiting for doors and windows. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.